Yo, what's good, squad? It's your boy C's from theseasoflife.com. And man, like literally, this is probably like the third, fourth take because these sirens are just going crazy. You think I'm living in a wild neighborhood, but it's relatively quiet. But I guess the dead end street just traps all this noise from the main road up the block. And it's just too much at times. Anyways, this gets me thinking because I wanted to kind of set up some sort of a podcasting studio in here. And I don't think that it'll work because of the sounds, the external noise that is coming from the street. So I don't know. I'm gonna play with some condenser microphones, like some soundproof to kind of block the sound that's coming from the street. I don't. I'll figure it out. Figuring out along the way, right? So that just gets me sort of thinking of another discussion topic, and that's like, what does it mean to be a creator or a creative person? And I think it is a lot simpler than creatives make it, out to be. And that's just taking an idea that exists in your mind, right? Working with the power of thought and start working towards that idea until it's reflected back to you in your outside world, right? So, for example, I kind of wanted to make opportunities or create opportunities for myself online by creating an online business. So some of the things that I needed was a website. I needed digital sort of marketing tangibles. I needed a minimal viable product. I needed graphic design. And I needed, technology like the video camera, audio, music. So basically all these things that's in my mind of things that I needed that didn't exist for me, I had to go and set forth and create it. So funny enough, turn to the internet and I was able to learn a ton for free off of the internet, like invaluable information. Like starting out, I did not know how to build a website, and I started like taking ideas and information from one place and then taking one from the other and then start merging them together, and I come across a rather easy and simple way of building websites. And I kind of leveraged that new idea, leveraged that new skill, and started, marketing it as a service. So I was able to create some websites for trainers or organizations and then getting their content on there. I just recently finished a couple of projects for some websites that I created, and it was rather easy. It took me like 2 days max each project to, like, from start to finish to get it to the clients, right? And graphic design arts, Canva, right? Canva is awesome. I was able to create my minimal viable product, my ebook, through Canva. And I got some audios from my vlogs on SoundCloud. Like, they have these music for vlog tracks that you can just upload. So that's why community is such a big thing, because there are tons of creators there that don't have all the pieces, sort of like myself. I don't have all the pieces, right? I would love to have a graphic design artist on my team, a videographer, a photographer, an editor, instead of wearing all these multiple hats, right? So, but they haven't revealed themselves to me. So what I had to do was just take action on my dreams, take action on these goals and ideas, and as I take action on these goals and ideas, what do you know? These people start popping into my life, be like, yo, Caesar, what do you need? And I'm like, oh, yo, can you help me with this? What do you think about this, right? And that's my 2 cents on what it takes to be a creator. Not waiting for that perfect opportunity, right? Take imperfect action towards your goal, right? Like, not everything that I do is complete to the best of my abilities or to the best and levels that I think that I would want out there. But I have to work with the skills and the tools that I have and continue that practice and repetition, because when you're working on these goals and ideas, right, unless it's like out there in the physical world, you're not going to get that feedback to how you can tweak it. You can constantly theorize in your mind, but unless you actually see it and get external feedback and like visually see it in your face, right, you're not going to know how it can get better, right? So whatever idea that you have that's working with, you are a creator if you take steps in pursuing and actually doing what it is that you're envisioning for yourself and your business. So yeah, just it's everything that you need is already out there, right? Everything that you could possibly want. It just takes organization of those things. Like prior to everything that I was doing, like I just like, oh, just going on other people's stuff and then like thinking to myself like, oh no, I wouldn't have done that. I wouldn't have done this. But what would I have done, right? I tried my best and then it's not even as good as what I've seen out there, right? So it's basically taking your skills that you have currently and just working towards it, getting better. And then you'll have other people who specialize in those little pockets of things that you need, like graphic design, editing, videographer, photographer, right? Getting them specialized in there, and then you become the producer, right? You become the executive producer, bringing these talents together and merging them together and getting something awesome out there. Right, and that's the end goal for me in this channel, is to collaborate, build a community of creators, right, and like build something. That's why I have this mastermind group, Project X, bringing these awesome minds together and seeing what we can come up with, right? Infinite possibilities, because each of us have infinite potential. So by bringing as much minds that are vibrating in the same frequency together, who knows what we can create? We can literally change the world, right? So those are awesome things that I'm looking forward to in the new year. And if you are a creator out there and you're looking to collaborate with a fellow creator, this is the channel for you, right? I'm here to collaborate with you guys. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what projects that you guys are working on, and I give you my 2 cents, and then I would very much appreciate the same feedback from you guys as well. So let's collaborate and meet in the comments below. Hit me up, let me know, and yeah, let's keep it moving. Forever striving for more and to get better, right? Anyways, ton more to do. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share this video if you know any creators, and holla at your boy. Peace.